Today I show you a simple way to feed houseplants and flowers in order to increase their immunity and help them stay healthy, green, and full of life naturally. Take 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Garlic contains natural sulfur compounds and beneficial elements that support plant health and help create a stronger growing environment. For prevention, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of garlic powder directly onto the soil around each plant. Spread it evenly over the top layer of soil. As you gently mix it into the upper layer of soil, the garlic powder begins releasing its beneficial compounds, helping support root development and overall plant vigor. If you want quicker results, add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder to 1 liter of water. Stir well as the garlic powder mixes into the water. This helps distribute its beneficial properties throughout the soil more evenly and allows the roots to absorb support faster. Pour the mixture slowly around the base of the plant until the soil is evenly moist. As it reaches the roots, it helps support stronger stems, greener leaves, and healthier growth. For plants that are already affected by stress or looking weak, add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder to 1 liter of water, then pour in 1 small cup of milk. As you mix, the garlic helps support plant immunity while the milk provides calcium and proteins that help strengthen plant tissues and support healthy foliage. Pour some of this mixture around the roots and place the rest into a spray bottle. Spray both sides of the leaves until lightly coated. This gives support to both the root zone and the foliage, helping plants recover and maintain healthy growth. Use this simple garlic powder method regularly, and you may notice healthier leaves, stronger growth, and more vibrant flowers throughout your garden. Happy gardening!